On behalf of the Old South Barn crew, we are pleased to bring you this video featuring our signature trusses that we create right here at Old South Barns.
These are our Old South Barns trusses that we have designed. We take 2x8s to make our trusses, 2x6s for our ties for our purlins, and we run a 2x6 all the way down like a bottom cord, two 2x6 screwed together here. What it's allowing us to do is we can put it on our post, drill our holes through just like we do on the metal trusses, but we're saving a lot of money for our customer by building it this way instead of the metal trusses.
And we're putting these uprights in, and Jess has already installed this one on this end. We're putting one in right here, and the reason that we let them protrude upward is once all of these trusses are installed, we'll come along with 2x6 purlins, and the purlins is what the roof metal will attach to. And think about this piece right here as a purlin from one rafter to the other. It will go down upon the top of the truss as you see here, but up against these rafter ties, and we'll be able to attach our purlin to our tie, and that gives us a structural connection from one truss to the next truss to the next truss. It's incredibly strong, works great. One of the things I wanted to say, we have a natural camber. We particularly made this work like this for the advantage of the load as it comes down. Load meaning the purlin weight, the metal roof weight, etc. As it deflects down, this camber will actually straighten up and become perfectly straight. Just one of those little things that makes all the difference in the world when you're building and fabricating wood trusses. We've had great results with them. It's a very simple method of building, but yet structurally it's as strong as you can ask for. And we're very proud of these. Incredibly strong, works great. That's how we do it at Old South Barn.